Array is one of the most important parts of programming and it has a lot of uses. Where we can use it, let me explain with an example. Assume you have a number of boxes. We don't know how many are they, we just want to get them and do whatever we want with them. For example, true or destroy them. First of all, select all boxes and add box tag for them. Now create an object and a script called manage. Then open a script. To find all objects, we need an array first. An array can consist of anything, such as game objects, integers, strings, etc. Let's define a game object array. Public game object, open close brackets, then its name. Now write in a start void boxes equals gameObject dot find gameObjects with tag. Then write the desired tag in parentheses. In this way, it finds all objects that has the tag and puts them in our gameObjects array. We can define array up here or in the void like this. I define a public one up here till we can see its elements in Unity. Let's take a look at what we've done. As we press play button, cause we wrote the command in a start, it finds all boxes and puts them in this array. Now, what is its usage? Assume we want to do a certain thing with all of our boxes. For example, throw them. Cause we want this thing happens to all of them, we use Foreach command. Write Foreach in parentheses, cause the array is gameObject, write gameObject, a name, for example box, in, array name which is boxes, and two braces. Now whatever you write in braces happens to all boxes array objects. For example, we can destroy all of them with this command. Destroy in parentheses box. In this way, all of them get destroyed. Or we can throw them all with this command. Means rigid body dot add explosion force, which we taught it before. Now if we press play, all boxes thrown in different directions, like they are exploding. This was for each. Now what is its difference with for? With for loop, we can access each one of desired array elements, so that we can do whatever we want with each element. For loop for first time might look a bit complicated, but it's like this. First part is counter, second part is the condition and counter length, that can be any number, and third part increases by 1 as all in for commands happen. Now for test, write boxes. In brackets we can write a number, which this number is array element. That if inside of it we write I, it takes all array elements and acts like for each. And if we write a number in it, it only happens on that certain element object. For test, I write I, and like before, I will throw the objects. Now, if you press play, exactly like for each, all objects will throw away. If we want this thing happens for a unique element, instead I, write that element number, for example 5. And in this way, we don't need to write the command in for, and we just remove it from for. To make it more clear, instead of this command, I write destroy command, and in brackets I write 5. Let's test. If we press play, look, object of element number 5 is destroyed. Hope this tutorial was useful for you. If it's your first time working with for and for each, make sure to see this tutorial again. Have a great day.